Good morning, everybody. It's maths time. Okay, so what are we going to do today? Oh, before we start, let's have a little quiz. Are you ready on your timetables? 3 times 4. Do you get the answer? 6 times 6. 7 times 10. And the last one, I'm going to give you a very difficult one. 10 times 11. Did you get them correct? If you did, amazing. If not, maybe you need to spend a little time today going over your times tables. 10 or 15 minutes just writing them down and not looking, and then writing them down. And then maybe someone in your house can give you a little quiz. Okay? Just like Miss Faye does. So today what are we going to do? We're going to learn about measurement. We've done it many, many times before, so it shouldn't be too tricky, but I'm going to remind you. Here we have this one. Maths measurement. Okay, I'm going to give you 10 seconds. I would like you to think about what is 10 millimeters equal to, what is 100 centimeters equal to, and what is 1,000 meters equal to. Okay, can you remember that? Remember, 100 centimeters is the big long stick that we use in school. Okay, let's see the answers. Let's see if you got it correct. So, 10 millimeters is equal to 1, you got it? Centimeter. Very good. It's equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Remember that? And 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. And that's the one that we use to measure long distances. So from Tequisquiapan to San Juan, maybe it's 18 kilometers. Remember? That's the big long one. Okay. Now, I've also put on today's list of today's work. I've put on a little song that we've done before that will help you with your measurement. Can you see that? Okay. So what we're going to do today is I've asked you to find 8 things in your house and to measure them. Very easy, right? First of all, you need your ruler. Please tell me everybody has their ruler at home and not in the school. Okay. The first very important thing, remember, is to find the centimeter side. Okay, can you have a look here? There's the centimeter side, okay? Take the centimeter side and you make sure you put your item at 0. If you start over here, it's not going to be correct, it's not going to be accurate, okay? We need to start at 0. So the first thing I am going to measure today is my toothpaste. Okie dokie, I've just brushed my teeth, so it was at my hand. So I get my toothpaste and I get my ruler. Make sure I put it at 0. Is it at 0? Perfect. And all the way. Let's see, it's a little bit tricky to hold it up. But if it's at 0 perfectly, it's 19 centimeters. Let me just check. Make sure, put it on the table, put it straight. Yep. 19 centimeters. 19 centimeters. Let me just write that down. There we go. That's the length of my toothpaste. Now, I've also put a little challenge on the worksheet, on the page for the work today. And that challenge is, what do you think that would be in millimeters? If it's 19 centimeters and there's 10 millimeters and 1 centimeter, what do you think it would be in millimeters? Well, an easy way to do that is I'll just multiply it by 10. And when we multiply by 10, all we do is add a 0. Do you remember? So it would be 190 millimeters. Can you see? And the millimeters, if you wanted to count them, they're the little, can you see? The little ones, they're the millimeters. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, all the way to 19. So we have 190 millimeters if it's 19 centimeters. Okay, the next thing I would like to measure today is, well, I'm going to have my breakfast now, so I'm going to have some eggs. I'm going to measure this egg box. Can you see? Right then, take my ruler. First step, make sure that it's on the centimeter side. Second step, make sure that it's straight and on the zero. Okie dokie. Well, let's see. My egg box. This is a little bit tricky because it's almost at the very end. It's 29 centimeters and there's 29 centimeters and then it stops at 5. So it would be 29 centimeters and 5 millimeters. So 29.5 centimeters. It's almost the whole ruler. It stops right here. Let me put a little line and show you. Right here. Between, can you see? The 29 and the 30. So it's 29.5 centimeters. Now, it's going to be a little tricky to put that one into millimeters. So you can just do it to the nearest centimeter. And the nearest centimeter would be 29. So 29 centimeters, if we want to write that in millimeters, can you guess what it is? Remember, multiply by 10, add that 0, okay? So 29. Excellent, boys and girls. Hope we can find some fun things to measure. And you can get back to me. You can send me a little video of you measuring them, or you can just write them down on a piece of paper like this. For example, Miss Faye did toothpaste. You could even draw a little drawing if you like. Make it a little bit more visual and a little bit more fun. Toothpaste and, wow, you know I'm not good at drawing. There's our eggs. You could just write it down on a little piece of paper like that and send me a picture. What do you think? Excellent. That's our maths for today and tomorrow. Of course, we'll put some more up on Wednesday, but Miss Valencia has also given homework, so I'd like you to get in touch with Miss Valencia if you don't have the homework yet, or if you have her homework, get started on that tomorrow or this afternoon. You can choose, as long as everything is done by the end of the week. Everybody's happy. Okie dokie. Okay, have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye.